What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mr. Terrific from Superman 2025. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the inside edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. Starting over on the left, we're going to bend this in and then up. Let's line at the bottom over on the right and do the same thing. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the edge of the brow, going up and then out. And then we want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left, we're going to step in and draw a circle going all the way around. And just pull that up toward the inside point. Now I want to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. So we're going to start on the left side, curve this down and then up. And I'll move up and draw a short curve going up and then down across the bridge of the nose. Let's go back to the nose. Along the bottom, step down, add a curve going up and then down across the mouth. Let's add a bracket on the ends. Go back to the center, step down and add a short curve for the lower lip. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start on the left. We're going to come down, round up the head, coming in underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up towards the right side. Now from here, we're going to work our way across the inside of the hairline. Let's start back on the left. We're going to go up. Now we want to bend this in around the eyes. Go back to the left side, round this out, and go up towards the top. Now let's close off the top with a curve, going up and then down. Now let's surround the face with that detail. We're going to start from this point, bend this in around the brow, and come down towards the center, bend this up and then out towards the right side. Let's go back to the left. We're going to add a curve going in between the eye and the side of the head, go around, and then pull that in. And then from here, bend this up and then in towards the side. And then we're going to come straight down towards the bottom of the head. Now on the side of the head, we're going to draw the ears. Let's start on the left. We go up, round up the ear, and then bend that in toward the side. Line up the top over on the right and do the same thing. We go all the way around and then bend that in. I'm going to add a fold across the top of the ear. So starting from the side of the head, we're going to bend this up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook, coming around and then in. It's almost like drawing a half circle. Now I want to draw the outer perimeter of the hair like a half circle, but we're going to add these little bumps and curves going all the way around. So let's start on top of the left ear, bend this around and in. And it's going to work our way around the head, going up toward the top. Now we're going to come all the way around and then in on top of the right ear. Okay, just adding these bumps. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start underneath the head on the left side, and bend this out and then down toward the left hip, go over towards the right, go out and down towards the right hip. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Now I want to open up the jacket with a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight line coming all the way down, move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's add that detail across the jacket. From the left side, angle this down and in, line this up on the right, come all the way down, draw another line coming in, pull this straight down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to add a trim around the outside. Start from the very top on the left, step in, follow that curve coming down, and angle this back in. Let's trace the bottom, coming in and then straight down. Let's add the buckle, stepping up in the middle, draw a straight line going across. From the top, step down, draw another straight line, step down, angle this down and in, and then come straight down towards the bottom. Now from the buckle, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left side, come down and then up. Now we're going to go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot, curving this up like a half circle, bend this down towards the heel, And then I'm going to curl that back up toward the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting on the left, and then bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom, so we want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's add a seam coming down the center of the leg, starting from the left side, very top, bend this out, and then down. Now I'm going to step in, draw that same curve, but we're going to leave a gap across the bottom. And we're going to follow this wave coming back in toward the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw in the arms. We want to start halfway between the chin and the hips. So we're starting right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, and then line that up on the right side. From the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers on either side. We want to start from the bottom of the thumb, come all the way around that bracket, and then up. Let's go to the side, there in the second finger, going around and in. And then the third finger, go all the way around the outside, and then bend this up underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Let's go back to the thumb and separate the cuff. We're going to go up and then out. And then we're going to add a stripe coming down the outside of the arm, starting from the very top. Follow the curve of the arm coming all the way down toward the cuff on both sides. And step in, draw that again. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mr. Terrific from Superman 2025. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.